Let's learn the introduction to artificial intelligence today. Hey, welcome back to the AI introduction class. In this session, we'll learn about data preprocessing. Generally, there are 4 things that we need to do before we can actually start working with data. First, we gotta get the data. That's the first step. Then we need to store it somewhere so that we can exit later. Once we have the data, we're gonna clean it up because, let's face it, the real-world data is always messy. Finally, we can start analyzing the data once it's all cleaned up and ready to go. Alright, so let's move on to data acquisition. Data acquisition is the process of collecting data from various sources such as sensors, applications, files, and the internet. The purpose is to ensure that data is accurate, complete, reliable, and comply with relevant laws and regulations. The methods of data acquisition can be manual or automated. It's an important part of data science and crucial for many application areas, including market research, social media analysis, finance, healthcare, and logistics, among others. In summary, data collection is a crucial component of AI, as it provides the raw data that is used to train and validate machine learning models. There are several methods for data collection, and once the data is collected, it needs to be processed and stored in a format that can be easily used for analysis and model development. Web data collection refers to the process of obtaining data from the internet. Web data collection has applications in multiple fields, including market research, competitive intelligence, data analysis, and data mining. This data collection can be done manually or through automated methods. Automated methods involves writing scripts or using software tools to automate the task. Web crawlers are the type of automated program that accesses website through internet browsers and automatically extract the required data from these websites. This data can be in the form of text, images, videos, audio, or other types of information. Web crawlers typically traverse websites according to certain rules or algorithms to discover and extract the required data. This automated collection method can achieve precise targeting of the desired data. Database collection refers to the direct writing of real-time generated data into database in the form of records and further analysis using specific data processing systems. They commonly use database collection tools currently include MySQL, Oracle, Redis, Valium, and MongoDB. When companies or research institutions require data with high safety, they can use specific system interface to collect data, such as API collection. This type of interface can shield the complex algorithms underlying the website and only require simple calls to achieve the functions of the requesting data. Now let's move on to data storage. Data storage refers to the process of persistently storing large amounts of data that are difficult to collect, process, and analyze on a computer. This requires basic equipment to have very high performance, high throughput, and large capacity. Currently, the main storage methods for big data include distributed storage, NoSQL database, NewSQL databases, and cloud databases. Distributed storage refers to storing a large amount of data on multiple computers connected together via network. It can provide high capacity, reliability, as well as horizontal scalability, and loading balancing. NoSQL database is a non-relational database that can handle semi-structured and unstructured data. It features high scalability, performance, easily deployment, and flexible data models. NoSQL database is a new type of database that sits between traditional relational databases and non-SQL databases. It retains the transitional and circular queries language characteristics of traditional relational databases, as well as a distributed processing, horizontal scalability, and high availability characteristics of long-cycle databases. Cloud database is a database stored in cloud computing environment, which has features such as high scalability, high availability, and flexibility. With cloud database services, users can easily store, manage, and access data in cloud without worrying about hardware, equipment, and maintenance issues. Once we've got our data stored, we need to clean up. Data cleaning refers to the process of identifying, correcting, and processing errors, incompleteness, and duplicates, inconsistencies, and other issues in data during its collection, processing, and storage, in order to improve data's quality and usability. This includes steps such as data identification, data cleaning, data transformation, and data normalization, and data integration. Data cleaning has two methods: manual cleaning and automatic cleaning. There are two ways to clean data: manual cleaning, which is relatively simple but with high cost, and automatic cleaning, which is performed by a computer based on preset rules. These rules include certain static methods, algorithms, or settings based on business knowledge. Data cleaning is widely used in data warehousing to improve data quality and usability. By performing data cleaning, data warehousing can ensure that data is accurate, inconstant, and up-to-date, which is critical for making informed business decisions. Data cleaning is also widely used in data mining to improve the quality and reliability of data. By identifying and correcting errors and inconsistency in data, data cleaning helps to ensure that mining results are accurate and meaningful. It is a crucial step in the data mining process, as it helps to eliminate noise and irrelevant data, and transform raw data into a clean and consistent format that is suitable for analysis. In brief, data cleaning is an important step in data quality management that helps to identify and correct errors, inconsistencies, and other issues in data to ensure that it's accurate, complete, and constant. By improving data quality, organizations can make better business decisions, reduce risks, and enhance their overall performance. Data cleaning assessment or data assessment refers to evaluation of data quality, integrity, and consistency and other aspects in order to determine if the data can be used for analysis or other purpose, and to identify the potential issues and opportunities. It mainly includes two aspects: credibility evaluation and usability evaluation. The credibility evaluation checks the requirements in these 5 aspects. Accuracy requires that the data is consistent with the characteristics of the objective entities. Integrity requires checking for missing data value. Consistency requires checking whether the same attribute value of the same entities are the same in different systems. Validity requires that attribute value meets defined requirements or fall within a threshold range. And uniqueness requires checking for duplicate records in the data. The usability assessment includes two aspects: the timeliness and the stability. The timeliness aspect requires checking whether the data is current or historical, while the stability aspect focuses on whether the data is within its valid period. Data analysis refers to the process of collecting, processing, and analyzing large and complex data sets, with the aim of uncovering hidden patterns, correlations, and insights that can make decision-making and drive business value. There are three methods of data analysis. The first is descriptive statistical analysis, which is mainly used to observe the distribution of data through statistical measures or graphs, and to have an overall understanding of the surveyed population. The second is exploratory data analysis, which is used to study the regularities between attributes, such as correlation, and is beneficial for attribute selection and optimization of data analysis model construction. The third is confirmatory data analysis, which is based on hypothesis testing to verify the data model or statistical hypotheses proposed in advance. Alright, so that's what we need to know about data preprocessing. In next class, we will be getting to study machine learning.